Okay guys, I'm sure you guys how to replace the license plate on the bumper cover after you've swapped the bumper over. These screws, they're the Phillips. There's usually 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4 if they've installed it correctly, or maybe 2. I've taken these 3 out and take the last one out. And then the plate itself will come off first, okay? And then behind the plate, there's gonna be 2, 3 more screws. There's one here, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, boom. Now come this way. I'll show you guys over here on the bumper. It has little indentation holes where these guys mount straight to the hole. Exactly, which is pretty cool. So you get a screwdriver. Make sure you get to that center. You can get both of them in. Just screws into the plastic, and then the middle one goes in last. That's it. Very simple. And then, of course, your license plate and your 4 screws. In California, you don't put this on, you get in trouble. Boom. That's how you remove and replace a license plate on a TLX. Probably the same for most cars. But that's about it, guys. Tune into our channel, subscribe. We're waiting for some more parts for our Lexus we have working on. So other than that, have a great weekend.